If you had 1 million shillings, what would you buy? I'd love to know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and make sure you stick around and I'll show you something that you can add onto your list. It's Joan, but my friends call me Jojo, and I'm passionate about thrifting, so much so that I did start a business out of it. I love to DIY and change things around the house. And if any of this is anything that you'd love to watch more of, kindly consider hitting the subscribe button below. Welcome to this week's vlog. So today is on Friday, and top on my list is getting knobs for the kitchen makeover. I'm still trying to collect everything that I need for the makeover. So I'm headed to Plycells in industrial area and ASL. So those are the two places that I want to check knobs at, and hopefully I'll get something that's going to work with my theme. So without wasting more time, let's go shopping. Plycells is in industrial area, so the easiest way for me is if you're using Mombasa Road, just before Airtel, you branch there and then you head on straight, and just before the roundabout there's a turning on your left, a tarmac. So take the tarmac, go straight, and in about 500 meters you should see Plycells on your right side. It's a big place, so I am sure you'll not miss it. And if you're looking for anything construction, anything, if you're building or if you're renovating your space, this is a place to check out. Their prices, they are so affordable. I couldn't believe it. So I was there for knobs, for cabinet knobs, and they had an array of knobs. Yani, I was confused at some point, so I kept changing my mind until I settled on a particular one. So I wanted gold knobs initially, but when I went and I saw their variety, I had to change my mind and get a black one instead. So my color scheme changed from gold to black. But that is for the best, because I have some black pieces that I'm using in the kitchen. So together with the black knobs, the combination will have to work. So the knobs were so affordable, you can't compare them with the Gikomba prices, because the first place I did go to was Gikomba before I got the Plycells recommendation. And Gikomba, the cheapest knob was around 150, 200. Most of them, the range was around 200, and 200 is the smallest size. But for this place, there were knobs that were less than 100 bob, because the knobs that I got, the large size was 70, is it 70 or 80 shillings, and then the smaller one was 60 shillings. So they're so affordable, you can't compare with any other place. So guys, I got the most beautiful set of knobs, but you'll have to wait for the makeover so that you can see the ones that I chose. But they're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. Everything is coming, everything is falling in place so wonderfully. So I'm still going to ASL to check what they do have, at least so that I know if I'm looking for something next time, I know where to go. But for anyone who's looking for knobs, anything house, kitchen, there's a wood, there's a doors, there's everything construction, anything that you need when you're constructing, or maybe if you're doing renovating your house, Plysal is the place to go. There prices, wow, I can't believe it. So let's go to SL and see what they do have. Taking a short break to tell you more about Skillshare, who have sponsored today's video. So Skillshare is an online learning community for curious and creative people. If you're interested in improving or developing a particular skill, Skillshare has an array of classes that you can undertake. So be it photography, if you're into interior design, illustration, if you want to know how to grow your plants and take care of your plants, there are so many things that you can learn. And Skillshare have been generous enough, and they are giving the first 1,000 people to click on the link in my description box below 1 month free trial of Skillshare Premium. How cool is that? So make sure you're among the first 1,000 people to click on the link in the description box below. To pin it in the comment section. So make sure that you're among the first 1,000 people to take advantage of this wonderful offer. At the moment, I'm taking an interior design class by Abby called Reversible Designs, Decorating for Renters. And what I love most about this class is the ideas that she gives, that if you're in a rental, you can still have a beautiful space because you can decorate your space in ways that when you're moving out, you can remove everything. So that's why it's Reversible Designs. So make sure you take advantage of the 1 month free Skillshare Premium membership. These are all the knobs that ASL had. So in terms of variety, I'll go with Plysals because they give you options that you can work with. But I did buy some knobs from here, the black ones, because I loved their shape and also they were cheaper than Plysals. So that's why I always recommend, make sure you window shop first before you make your decision. For tiles, they did have a variety, so that is one thing that I loved about them, because at least they are giving you options that you can work with. And for most of the tiles, they are maybe like 6 in a box, so that is definitely cheaper for you, because I bought a box tile for 1,300 and there were 6 of them. So definitely if you do the math, that is like 210 per box, per tile I mean. On this particular day, most of the items were discounted, so the sales rep had to calculate the discount for you, but I'm not sure the discount is valid until when, but you can always ask them. I know you've been curious to find out which item is worth $1 million, bob, and the wait is finally over. I present to you 1 million shillings toilet. So it has a sensor, it senses when you're coming. So let me do this again. So it's closed. So I'm passing by, and then it opens. For 100 bob. Oh, sorry, $1 million Kenyan shillings. Would you buy a toilet seat worth $1 million, bob? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. How sleek is this? Love it. Love the design. And then we have another sleek one over here. Just look at this. Hi. The leather finish. This is so cute. And then you have the black one, round 7-8. And then this 7-800. Six, 9. This is 7-7. Okay, they are affordable. I didn't think they would be less than 10,000. So we have 6-9. We have this dressing mirror, 6,000. Shower cabinet, 34,600. And then we have a home bar. This is 6. I love the shape of this. And then this whole set is going for 83,000, and at Builders K this is 200K. So that's why I always insist, make a point of window shopping before you buy anything. Window shop, because you can imagine the difference between 200k and 83k. That's such a huge difference. So guys, I'm just from ASL and I did manage to get a pair of knobs for the pantry door and some tiles. So it's around 2, so I'm headed for lunch, and then later I go back home, try edit today's video, and then yeah, I guess that's it for today. But the trip was such a success, and can't wait to put the knobs on the drawers and the door. I know it will be so beautiful. But anyways guys, I'll catch you later. So guys, I just got back home, and I think with the footage that I did get from Plycells and ASL, I'm sure it will be long enough to make a complete video. So I guess I'll leave you guys here, and maybe next week we can see what I'll be up to. So if you did like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly hit the red subscribe button below. I'll see you next week on Friday. Bye.